The UAV takes its payload. Payload is a sensor that it is on board the UAV, which transmits real-time the data to the ground, to the headquarters of the police or for the army or other users, and it sends the information of the picture that it can see below it. It can be electro-optical picture like what we are doing now, or a radar picture. We can use it for summits, for the Pope visit and the FIFA games. We also use it for monitoring illegal immigration, border protection. And when you're talking all these challenges happening in Europe, this is a very congested area that we need to have a solution. We are not getting into the question of privacy or non-privacy. We supply the equipment that is state-of-the-art of the equipment that can be today. And I'm sure that our government that use it and our users knows how to use it properly.